Hello guys. Today, we are taking you back to the 1980s in Britain. A time before smartphones, social media, and instant takeaways. Back then, the kitchen was the heart of every home, and dining together wasn't just a meal, it was a ritual of love, care, and family connection. In this documentary, we'll explore how families cooked, what they ate, and how meals brought people together. From humble kitchens to street markets, from traditional recipes to classic utensils. You'll see a Britain that felt simple, cozy, and full of flavor. In most homes, the kitchen was small but functional. Gas stoves, wooden cabinets, and cast iron pans were common. Cooking wasn't just about food, it was an art, passed from parents to children. Typical tools included hand-cranked mixers, baking tins, mortar and pestle for herbs, teapots and classic crockery. Families often cooked from scratch, using fresh ingredients bought from local markets. Frozen or pre-packaged food existed, but home-cooked meals were valued more than convenience. The 1980s Britain had some iconic dishes that every household knew. Roast beef with potatoes and seasonal vegetables, shepherd's pie and cottage pie, fish and chips, often served on newspaper wrapping, bread and butter pudding, spotted dick, and jam tarts for dessert. Preparation was hands-on, peeling, chopping, and mixing by hand. Children often helped in small tasks, learning skills and family traditions. Cooking was slow, intentional, and full of care. Evenings were special. Families gathered around the dining table, often without the distraction of TV or gadgets. Conversation flowed, laughter echoed, and every meal was shared with gratitude. Typical table setup included porcelain plates, stainless steel cutlery, small bowls for condiments, freshly brewed tea or milk for everyone. Dinner was more than nutrition, it was connection, communication, and respect. For ingredients, families visited local markets or corner shops. Street vendors sold fresh fish, bread, and vegetables. Bakeries filled the streets with the aroma of freshly baked bread and pastries. Meals reflected seasonal availability and local produce. There was pride in cooking with fresh, homegrown, or locally sourced ingredients, long before supermarkets dominated. Unlike modern fast-paced life, the 1980s meals were slow, thoughtful, and full of human connection. Cooking was not rushed, eating was not rushed, and families stayed together longer. Even simple dishes held memories, handmade pies, Sunday roasts, or jam on toast. This era reminds us that food was not just sustenance, but a bridge between generations, a way to teach values, love, and care. The 1980s British kitchens tell a story of simplicity, patience, and togetherness. From cooking to dining, every meal was a ritual, a moment of bonding, and a celebration of life. If you want to explore more nostalgic stories from 1980s Britain, from everyday life to traditions that shaped communities, subscribe to Retro Britannia and join us on this journey back in time.